Hi guys, Caesar here at your service. I would like to ask for apology first because it's been a while that I created a gadget to review. There's a big change happened in my personal life which is really life-changing in a way. Okay, without further ado, let's proceed with a gadget review, which another Bluetooth earbuds from the huge known brand Samsung. The Samsung Galaxy Live Buds. Here's a quick preview of the features of these earbuds. What's inside the box? Now, here's the actual unboxing of my Samsung Galaxy Live Buds, which, just an FYI as well, I bought it in the US when I was there for vacation.
매력적인 입술 네가 내게 말을 걸 때마다 내 기분은 higher Girl what's your desire 네 심장은 paradise You're beautiful girl can't you see 다들 너를 질투해 걱정 마 girl can't you see 내 눈엔 늘 완벽해 Won't you call me when you get this? Yeah, 뭐 나도 내게 미워.
Review time! What can I say about the Samsung Galaxy Live Buds? Is it worth it to buy this one, especially that this is currently on sale, even in Samsung stores and also online? My answer is halfway, or I'm in between really, after using the device for months now, in the gym and even for gaming. For the price last year, which was half when I bought it in the US and probably much expensive still here in the Philippines today, would I recommend this product to you guys? If you wanted music, watch movies and for hands-free calls, yes, this is already okay for me if the price is the same when I bought it in the US. The reason is, with the current price, I can already buy other known brands and even other gaming brands, which not that expensive by the way. Also, I have concerns with the mentioned ergonomic design feature as well. It doesn't fit with all types of ears, which mine somewhat uncomfy sometimes, because it's not the same as the one in the features how I should wear it in the first place. But still, I like it for playing my Spotify music, which one of the features says automatically connects with your phone even if it's not Samsung, which I'm using my Black Shark gaming phone. By the way, when I was in the US, I was also aiming for the Bose Quiet Comfort noise-cancelling earbuds. But after knowing from my friend that it doesn't work if I'm only gonna use one earbud alone, which it will work by the way if only the right earbud. But if you'll use the left side, it will not gonna work at all. So that's the reason I bought the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, which also $50 cheaper. Now for other reasons. If you're brand conscious, such as my partner, probably get this one. But the current concern that I found after months of use, I have concerns with the latency when used in gaming. There's a delay especially for online games such as Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG, and other shooting games that earbuds or any earpiece should really be sensitive or accurate when playing, or you will die in the game easy if you'll not hear the steps of the enemy behind or beside you. So what's my verdict? For me, I would consider buying other brands for the current price if it's on sale, which are known brands as well, such as Marshall, and gaming brands such as Razer. But for usage, it's really okay except for gaming. Okay, that's it. Hope you've learned something even if just a bit regarding this product. If ever you got this product or the Bose Quiet Comfort noise cancelling earbuds, please comment below regarding your experience. Share your thoughts about it if you have experienced the same thing, and we'll gladly reply as well if you have questions. So if ever you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and click the notification button so that you'll be updated to our next videos. Thanks again for watching, guys. Goodbye, and please be safe as always.
내가 어때 같은 질문하면 항상 다 나온 기분
나도 내게 네